You feel bad cafe they reach your destination. Patience and timing matter. See, everyone, everybody, including you, you get your whole destination. You get your whole journey, you get your whole lane. Not because say your friend buy, you want use your head. Say I must buy. Don't be by rush. You grab. Everybody will rush back car. Some of them don't pack on. Some of them will see call you after I need money where I want to buy food. Hello. Use your head. Not because say that one so they lose, so that your friend so he back her. You think say na one for reach jet before you are not paying. Many of them won't fair buy. Many of them they are C-class, they are compound. The one we buy yesterday, na ain't the Poporian now. The one we buy today, na go enjoy now. You will want buy tomorrow, now you go enjoy and pass. You grab. You never see understand. Now the new cars when they come out, and now they consume fuel like that too. The way fair buy now double exhaust it BB, they consume fuel. Most of them don't they buy Yaris. You understand? Use your head. Don't let the pressure you enter with you're not supposed to. You don't understand. If you don't understand, you know, you not concern me. Hypertension will go kill you for nothing.